Should I forgive the person that abused me or not? This is the question that you're going to answer if you're embarking on the journey of healing from the pains of the past that you've experienced. Now, there is no value judgment when we ask this kind of question because you are entitled to how you respond to the source of the injuries you're trying to heal from psychologically. When people ask me this question, one particular lens I would like to reference to as a psychological professional with a background in clinical medicine and psychosocial studies, I do use the reference of how the body heals biologically. If you had someone attacking you, a criminal attacked you while you're on your way back from work and he left a cut in your hand, how would you want that wound to heal? Would you want that wound to heal without scars? Or would you want that wound to heal and then in the process of healing, it undergoes a malignant transformation and becomes a cancer? What would you want? When our body is healing, there's a possibility that in that process of healing, the wound becomes cancerous, or we call like a malignant transformation of a wound. And what do always happen is that a particular phase of healing become overly intensified, and the cell that is meant to be responsible for that phase of wound healing becomes very aggressive in its healing process. That is a very significant learning that we could use in answering the question, should I let go? Should I forgive the person that has caused me so much pain? If you don't, it means there's a possibility this healing process becomes malignant, which does happen a lot in the body biologically. I am not here to give you a value judgment, but I want to leave that for you to have a think about. Would you want this wound to heal without undergoing malignant transformation? Would you want this wound to heal without leaving you malignant changes? Or would you want this wound to heal and just goes back to normal? Look, forgiveness is a fragrance that violet sheds on the heel that crushed it. Think about that when you're thinking about, should you forgive the person that caused you so much pain?